End of stream, folks. Thanks for watching. Neighbors are on the porch, so I'm going to give them some privacy. Don't want to stream their voices live across the internet. Everybody stay safe. I'll be back again another day with some wonderful nature streams. And actually, we're not going anywhere. We have a blind bird. Our blind bird is here. I didn't even notice that he was here. Let me be very careful not to scare him. You guys and girls are so lucky that you made it, that I came out with it, because this guy's not always here. Let me see if how I can do this. Bear with me a minute, folks. Try and get this on a tripod. This is a blind bird. He comes to see me every day. The reason we can tell he's blind is because we've zoomed in on him with a different camera and saw his eyes shut. One of his eyes is shut. He can see a little bit out of one of them, I guess, but he's pretty much blind. I'm going to move the camera closer to him. There's a blind bird, folks. Hey. There's a camera going on my back porch live. And so I want y'all to holler something out that you don't want the internet to hear. Right now, I'm streaming a blind bird. There's a blind bird on my feeder. Just a warning, it's recording everything you say. Say hello to the YouTubers. All right, folks, I'm back. See if I can get you a different camera angle, a better angle on him without scaring him away. Yeah, the blind bird. The blind bird. We finally got him on live streaming. How many people do we got watching? 12 people? Looking at a blind bird. This is a really strange thing that has happened in my life. That, during this quarantine time, that I get visited by a blind bird. Never in my life have I ever been visited by a blind bird. And I really feel special for this. Being able to have him trust me. He knows I'm here. He can hear my voice. And he always puts his back to me like this. He feels safe with his back to me. I guess he's come and gone enough to know that I'm not a threat to him or her. Whatever kind of bird it may be. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie. Let's get back in the light. There he is. We out of focus. There we go. Yeah, we're a little bit out of focus. There, that's better. A blind bird. I'll click that thumbs up button for a blind bird. You should see him fly. He knows he's in trouble if he starts flying real fast or whatever. He flies slowly. He flies pretty erratic, and he lands often. Y'all give me a thumbs up for the bird, a blind bird. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and tell all your friends and family to please subscribe to Rednecks Gone Wild. You can find me on YouTube, Rednecks Gone Wild. You can find me on Facebook, Rednecks Gone Wild. And you can find me on Google, rednecksgonewild.com. All over the interwebs. 4,000 videos, folks. Almost 4,000 videos uploaded to YouTube for you to watch for free during this time of quarantine. Please stay safe, stay home, and tune in to rednecksgonewild.com. We're going to just stay here until this bird goes away. When he goes away, the end of the stream will happen. Thank you for tuning in. Continue to watch Blind Birdie. I wish I could spin him around so you could see him better. Might scare him away if I do that. I'll do it above. scaring him. I'm scaring him. He's gonna fly away. I'm moving back. I should have not interfered. Hey, birdie. Hey there, birdie. That's a pretty good angle. All right, folks, y'all watch the bird. I'm gonna go drink whiskey. That bird, blind bird's on. Oh, you too live.